Are you ready to land your dream tech job but do not know where to start? Today, we are going to show you the step by step to help you achieve your roadmap to help you with your goal. First, let us talk about coding. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience, it is important to continuously practice and improve your coding skills. Start by learning the basics of programming languages like Python, Java, or CFB. There are plenty of online resources, tutorials, and courses available to help you sharpen your coding skills. Next, let us focus on building a strong resume. Highlight your technical skills, projects, and experiences that are relevant to the tech industry. Do not forget to showcase your problem solving abilities and any certifications you may have. A well crafted resume can make all the difference in catching the eye of potential employers. Lastly, let us discuss data structures and algorithms. This is a crucial aspect of technical interviews in the tech industry. Make sure to practice selling coding problems and understand the fundamentals of DSA concepts. There are many resources and practice websites available to help you prepare for these types of interviews. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your goal, you will be on your way to landing your dream tech job in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.